Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel, and today I am coming to you with another spring decorating video. As you guys know, I am in the process of redecorating and renovating our home, just to kind of freshen it up a bit. And so the foyer is like my first real space that I'm starting to really add some touches, vintage, modern European style to. And this is basically the style that I am going with for my entire home. I love traditional, I love European style, I love a little bit of modern farmhouse, and I love a little bit of the modern design style. And so I kind of wanted to incorporate all of that. And I went ahead and I started ordering some furniture pieces, but for some reason I just feel like this foyer is calling for that more vintage feel. And so I've had this little hutch for quite some time that I thrifted a couple years ago for $25. And I just was like, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and paint it. It's really, really like in need of the paint because some of it is just a little bit like destroyed the wood and, a little chippy and things like that. Some of the edges are frayed. And so I was just like, I'm going to just paint it white, give it that fresh, modern, neutral touch to it that I love so much. And so that is what I am doing here now. I am going to be giving you guys a reveal of the foyer very soon, but I just wanted to kind of take you guys along the journey of redecorating each space so that you guys can kind of get a feel of what I am going for. Now, if this is your first time seeing my channel or being here, welcome. My name is Shushana. On my channel, I do a lot of home decor, seasonal decor, cleaning motivation, lifestyle videos, and some in-between things. And so if you're interested in joining or becoming a part of our family, I would love for you to consider subscribing and definitely pressing that bell so that you don't miss any notification. You can press it twice. I do upload weekly. I don't have a set time because I am a mom, a wife, I am a content creator, and I do work in healthcare outside of my home full time. And sometimes I do extreme shifts, 12-hour, 14-hour days. So I don't always have the time to be committed to a set schedule. So I am able to upload at least 2 to 3 times weekly. So I would love for you to become a part of our family here and let me know your feedback. Introduce yourself to me in the comment section and let me know what you most like about this video. So I am going to be jumping in and out of this video, just to kind of give you guys an idea of where we are. But go ahead, enjoy the music and enjoy the video, and definitely leave your comments down because I love chatting with you guys.
How you make me feel, I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you, be with you.
So this is the way that it looks, and I love it so much. I love the contrast of the high gloss paint because it's going to be so much easier for me to keep clean because it's white. And I just love the freshness of it, that it's just oh, it's so fresh and so clean and so neutral. And y'all know that's my judge. I love a neutral piece of furniture. So I picked this wall art up from Home Goods the other day, the same time I picked up that huge mirror and the urn and planter and all that. And it was $39.99 at Home Goods. My only regret is that I did not pick up more than one. I wish I had followed my mind and gone ahead and picked up four of them instead of one of them. But in my mind, I was just like, okay, I already have the mirror, so I can use this over a piece of furniture or something. Y'all, follow your mind. If your mind tells you, your heart and spirit and soul tells you to do something within reason, follow it, you guys. More oftentimes, that is the way that you are supposed to go. Okay. And every time that I don't do that, I end up regretting it and just kicking myself. So I'm going to go back to Home Goods and hopefully they have more of these. I did pick this up in Queens. So I don't know if the Home Goods that I have here where I live carries it, but I'm going to go and check it out and see, because I did not really want to put this here. I had a different space that I wanted to put it. But anyway, it looks amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and just decorate this piece and then show you what it looks like.
All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you.
So now I'm turning my sights onto this hutch, the top of this hutch. I'm going to redecorate the inside of it and do a video with that for you guys. But I just wanted to show you guys how I'm decorating the top of my hutch, all of them. And I'm just going to make this one very simple, very neutral tone, but extremely simple. And I'm really loving like the simple, cozy feel of it all. It's just, it speaks volume to me. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely go ahead and comment down below and let me know what you guys think and what is your favorite part. If you have watched up until this moment or up until this point, thank you so much for being here and for your constant support. I really do appreciate you guys so very much. I hope that you guys have a fantabulous day. Remember that Jesus is Lord, that He loves you, and I love you too. I will see you guys very soon in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye.